It was another higher day in cattle while lean hogs continued to leak lower. At the close, February live cattle futures 37 cents higher, settling at 195.57. In the April contract, which is starting to pick up in terms of trade volume, 50 cents higher, settling at 197.77, and that was a new closing contract high. Feeder cattle is more of the same there. The most actively traded March contract settled $2.37 higher to 267.92, and that was a new contract closing high. Yesterday afternoon's box beef report was sharply higher, and we saw continued strength in this morning's report, which showed choice cuts up another 256 to 329.66, and select cuts 74 cents higher to 304.07. Monday's slaughter, that was reported at just 109,000 head. The 5-area average price for live steers, that came in at an astounding 198.93, which is sharply higher than what we've seen. Monday's commitment and traders report, that showed funds were net buyers of about 626 contracts of live cattle from December 24th to December 31st, expanding their net long position to a lofty 129,000 contracts. Now, during that same time period, funds increased their net long position in feeder cattle by about 1,600 contracts, which took it to a new record net long position to 21,929 contracts.